Hello everyone, Christmas is round the corner and time to make some goodies. How about making some Hershey's Kisses peanut butter blossoms? These are dainty little flavorful cookies made with peanut butter and they are coated with colored sugar and there is a chocolate inside them, so it makes a perfect treat for the kids. They are surely going to love them because both the ingredients are their favorite, peanut butter and chocolates. You can also make these and distribute with your neighbors and friends during this festive season. And they are not difficult to make at all. Once you have all the ingredients ready in front of you, it takes half an hour to make these. So let's begin and make this delicious treat for Christmas. Hershey's Kisses peanut butter blossoms. A perfect treat for Christmas. Kids are definitely going to love these cookies with chocolates in them. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. Now let's begin. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Now let's sift the dry ingredients. Take all-purpose flour or Maida. Measure out 1 3/4 cup. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon. Now sift them together. This is a cute sifter I got recently from USA. It mixes the ingredients as well while sifting. Very useful gadget. Now this is done. Set these ingredients aside while we mix the wet ingredients. Here measure out light brown sugar, half cup. Normal white sugar, half cup. If the granules are very big, grind them lightly in a dry grinder. Now unsalted butter, half cup. Peanut butter, 3/4 cup. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Using a spatula, mix all these ingredients first so that the sugar mixes with the butter and it doesn't fly out while beating them with the electric beater. It's always better to mix it first. This cookie dough is nice and rich. 2 types of butter go into it. And if you are using salted butter, skip adding salt. But I prefer unsalted butter. Now break 1 egg into the bowl. Blend the mixture until it is nice and creamy. Very easy cookies. Just make sure gather all the ingredients and in a jiffy it takes just 10 minutes to mix the dough. Now bring the machine to a slow mode and add the dry ingredients little by little. Continue doing this until all the flour is used up. This is done. Now using a knife or a spoon, remove all the dough that is stuck in the beater. Gather it together with a spatula. Now you can refrigerate this for 10 minutes so that it's easy to make the cookies. Meanwhile, let's peel out the Hershey's Kisses. These come in two colors, white and also chocolate brown. I've got the white ones. You can use any of these. In one packet there are about 32. Now, you can refrigerate until you use them while we are baking the cookies. Now spread this colored sugar in different plates. This is for coating the cookies. They look really very pretty with the colored sugar on them. Now take out the dough from the refrigerator, knead it a bit. It's nice and firm, easy to shape the cookies. Take a small portion, little more than a marble size. Make round balls. Do not flatten them now. So here I have made 32 cookies because they were 32 Hershey's chocolates. Coat them now with the colored sugar. Place them on the greased baking tray. I've greased it with butter. Use red sugar, green sugar because these are the colors of Christmas. And the third lot I'm using multicolored sprinkles. First batch is done. In the same way, coat the remaining cookies as well. Little more dough was left, so I shaped these using cutters into the tree shape, snowman, star and a moon. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes at 250 C. Baking time may vary a bit depending on the size of the cookies and the type of oven you are using. Let the cookies cool a little bit. While they are still warm, insert the Hershey's Kisses into each of them. They may appear to be soft now, cookies will harden after keeping them. If you insert the chocolates into very hot ones, they'll start melting. So here we go, the cookies are ready. A delicious treat for Christmas. They look so pretty and colorful. Do give them a try and share the feedback with me. Make and enjoy them. A Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye. Take care.